Hi guys! Nandito ako sa slopey part ng aming farm. Ang mga nakatanim dito ay panay langka. And here. This langka. And then there are some vacant spaces which will be planted also with ebyark jackfruit soon. That is our small house upstairs. No? There. So, I think we're going to plant 20 or 20 to 30 ebyark jackfruit later. And then we're going to clean this bamboo side so that the jackfruit under them will grow more. Hilly part nga lang to, slopey part. So, pag umuulan, mahirap babain, mahirap akyatin. So, right now, the weather is good. And, I'm just looking around to see what can we still do here. We're going to put a fence there, over there, the boundary. Because that's a creek. So we're going to clean the boundary. And just keep the bamboo, but we will make it clean. Here. So we will plant it. We planted already upo here. Upo. I think around 600 seeds we planted here. And then on this part, we're going to plant again kalabasa, squash here. And then on this side, it's not yet clean, but we're going to, oh my god, we're going to plant different kinds of vegetables like eggplant, but mostly eggplant and Taiwan sili and siling panigang. So here we're going to plant here squash or kalabasa because still slopey part. Here we're going to plant kalabasa. I'm just going to order first the seeds. And here still slopey. On this part, we're going to clean this. It's not yet clean. There are still jackfruit here. It's not yet clean. That part, we're going to clean that. And we're going to plant eggplant, tomato, siling labuyo, siling panigang, and other vegetables. But mostly it would be eggplant and sili. That part. So we're going to clean that. I think our farm, I don't know, because all are grasses. Before it was clean, but because of the pandemic, no one is here. So grasses and other bushes grew up to that part. So we're going to clean that one. Then that one. And on the upper side, it's not yet clean also. But I'm going to show it to you later when it is clean. So up to that coconut, I think up to that coconut tree is ours. That coconut tree down, it's still ours. So I'm catching my breath. So we're going to clean this, and then we're going to clean also the other part. We're going to plant. I don't know what to plant yet because there are calamansi trees there. I think we have 300 calamansi trees, but because the place is not managed, no one is here, so shrubs and what you call this, big weeds, I don't know what's the name, they grew and entwined in the twined on the calamansi trees. Okay, so little by little we're going to clean our farm. Oh, there are atis here, sugar apple. I don't know how can I pick it because you see many ants on the ground. There are many apple, sugar apple, atis. I love that. I will take it. That one. So we're going to clean. And here, oh, going our land is flat, slopey. So it's like a hill. Ah, oh my God. So on that part, it's not yet clean. Okay, it's not yet clean. Still tall grasses, but we're starting to clean it. You see, we have many calamansi trees, but calamansi trees are malnourished. No, they are not growing that good. But I'm cleaning them one by one because there are many twigs around them. So that's the house of our worker here. So this is the other part of our farm. It's not yet clean. I cannot go inside. See, I cannot go inside because maybe there are snakes, but there are many calamansi trees inside. So I asked them, or I told them to clean so that the calamansi trees will grow more. So this is our small farm, but we have to clean it and remove all the bushes and the weeds. Okay, I'll end my video here.